Welcome to Delph Stack. In this video, I will show you how to fix the boot device not found error on Windows 11 quickly and step by step. This error usually appears when your system cannot detect the hard drive or the boot configuration is incorrect. First, restart your computer and enter the BIOS or UEFI settings by pressing the boot key like F2 or F3. Check if your hard drive is detected in the storage section. If it's not detected, power off your PC and check the cable connection if you are using a desktop. If the device is detected, make sure it is set as the first boot device in the boot order. Save the changes and restart your computer. If the issue continues, enter Advanced Startup Options by holding Shift and clicking Restart. Go to Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options and select Startup Repair. If that doesn't fix it, open Command Prompt from Advanced Options, type bootrec/fixmbr and press Enter. Then type bootrec fixboot and press Enter. After that, type bootrec/rebuildbcd and press Enter. Close the command prompt and restart your PC. Your system should now detect the boot device and start normally. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.